day 15 then of the 64 million artists January challenge. Actually forgot what I was doing today, which is a new one. And we are looking at a rainy day dance. Now my dancing skills are about as good as my singing skills, so today I thought what I would do is show you how to draw movement, how to interpret movement, how to, when people are walking down the street, how to turn that into a sketch. Lots of people find movement quite difficult to record when you're out sketching. So in this video I'm going to show you some simple tricks using an XL Derwent block to make some gestural marks on a page and then go back in with some ink to firm those marks up into a dancing character. One thing about movement people forget is that basic things like the head and the torso don't actually move that much. The arms might move, the legs might move, and that's the movement we're going to capture with the gestural drawing. But the rest of the body doesn't really move that much, and so if you can get that idea and concept in your head, you can soon learn to put in a body shape and put some arms in quite quickly, and you'll find that this makes figure drawing a lot easier. So let's have a look at the equipment we'll be using today. So I've got my iPad and a piece of video that I got from Pixels, which is a free site, and you can use this video for free. So we will base our sketches on this video. I've got some graphite blocks, charcoal, a rubber, pencil and an ink pen. Right, so the first thing to do is to look at the video and have a think about what's in the video and how people are moving. So let's have a look at that now. Right, so we've got a person, they're dancing, they're moving their arms. The head isn't moving a lot, if you notice. Their hips are moving, their feet are moving, but on the whole there's not a lot of movement there that we need to capture. So when we come to draw, let's think about that, the actual bits of the person that are moving. So there you go, a 15, maybe 20-second video clip, and what we're going to do now is do some gestural drawing, try and get some of those movements down on paper. So I've unboxed my graphite sticks, and now if I watch this movement, let's give this a go. Use my graphite stick and then make some marks, so I can see some arm movements, the head, body's not moving too much, the legs are kicking, maybe that, there's a hat on that person. We're getting some arm shapes moving. Let's play the video one more time. So that person's looking that way. Got a shorter leg there. So we're getting a couple of drawings in. Let's do one more. Again, I'm just looking at the movement. The arms are moving. The head isn't really moving that much, which makes it slightly easier. Kind of getting a sense of this movement. I'm going to put that, make that hand, because the hand was there. It's probably a bit long, that mark. And then maybe one more, because I like this first, this bit. There's the bit there, the hand moving. Let's go back and freeze the action. So with the action freeze, I've got a hand, I've got an arm, there's a bit of arm there, the head is there, I've got the hat, the neck there, this arm is coming, meets the elbow there, so the arm is going to come there. We've got a jacket that's coming down, and we've got some trousers. We're going to try and put in these legs. Now these legs sort of do that and that. I'm looking at the negative space in there, and then they come down, and we've got some feet moving there. Now she's on tiptoes, or he's on tiptoes. So you see in those 4 pictures that we built up by watching the video first time, second time, third time, and then stopping the action on the 4th time, we've managed to get some movement into those images. I think what I'll do now is go back in with some ink work just to strengthen up the figure in the places where I want to show the difference between the jacket and the trousers. So let's go and have a look at how we do that. So if we start on the last drawing that we did, we have got a hat that we can bring in. We've got glasses on this figure, got an ear. These are just very simple observations. Now this jacket I want to get in. There's a t-shirt there. Can put that going around the back of the neck there. Bring that line down there. Not pressing too hard on the pen. We got a rolled up sleeve there. We can see the mark I made there for that arm. That's kind of working there. So we've got to bring that elbow. So that's slightly down too low, but we can correct that by coming off of there like that, up there like that, around. We got the sleeve, the arm, the watch and the hand. So we've got, let's see the hand doing that. Now we got the jacket that sort of swings down, comes back up past the hand into the thing, collar, and then this side again comes down, joins up to the arm, which could be a little bit taller there, and then the material disappears into the leg, comes back down here. You can see that crease of the trouser there, and then that again disappears. Put some shoes on, always leave a little bit of room for the ankle. And I think we've got a real sense of movement in that character. This character here, I think we can again guess that the hand. So this was a bit of a, this was two clips put together, just trying to get the movement. So if I put the sleeve in, we can see the arm comes down here. We've got the hat here. Got another arm here, but I'm not going to put that arm in there because that's not where I've drawn it on the picture. Put the head down here, put the glasses in because they're looking down. That's fine. The jacket, which is doing just that shape there, which we did manage to get quite accurate. Put the sleeve back in, and the collar is up here somewhere. That's going into that part of the jacket. Now I'm going to put the arm, I'm going to put the hand in there. There's a bit of sleeve, so I'm making up a bit of detail here, but it's not going to look too far out from what we had. The jacket is flying around here, and again I think we're managing to get a nice sense of movement in our character. There's probably some shoes on there, but I'm not going to put them in. And then I'm going to put the arm up here and maybe the hand around there. Again, so sort of getting the movement in that I wanted. I think we're going for this motion here. So we can start with a hand. We can see that the gestural marks are indicating that bit there, which comes off there and goes up to the top there. The other hand is here and comes up to the face. Probably a bit big there, but no worries. There's a watch strap there. We're going to put the cuff of the jacket in. There's a mark there next to the hand, bit of collar. We've got this jacket which we need to put in under the hand, that comes down, flows there. This side comes down again and goes back up into the sleeve. Top of the trousers in. Now I do remember the foot was back there, so we put that in like that. And we've got the head just to put in again. Ear, ear, glasses, and the face. So I think you can see again another lovely moving image there. They're all sort of moving, which is nice. Still loving this one. And then right at the beginning there was this lovely sort of swaying movement that I want to get. So this, we've got the hand, we've got the jacket, we've got our marks in, so we can. I'm going to start with the collar again from the neck. Bring the jacket down there, straight line there up to the arm, which then comes across the jacket there, and that comes up to that sleeve. We've got a hand in here, pointing fingers, a cuff, and then trying to work out how this line works. Probably a bit like that, maybe like that, that's better, because we've got that arm there. This side here, put that jacket in there. We've got a nice white neck there, t-shirt, the jacket again coming down. It's not much jacket in this one. There's a collar, not a secondary collar there, I don't know what that is, but we put that marking because we can see it. And then the arm is coming. Well, it's quite a thick arm I've got there, but there we go. I'm going to push it up. Put the collar, the sleeve cuff in there, and then the hand finally is coming across there with a watch strap. And then we can put the ear in, glasses, and then the cap. So I think you can see there we've got quite that sort of leg movement is like that, and then this leg is shorter. So that leg again can put some feet in, and that has feet there as well. So we've got some nice dancing figures there. So there you go, really easy way to create some dancing figures. Use a big pastel tip to create some wavy lines, and then go back in with your pen. So watch the video, make some lines, and then go back in with your pen to finish the figures off. I hope that was useful. I'll be back again tomorrow.